Welcome to part 2 of cleaning the main dispenser nozzle. Today we'll be covering the use, care, and maintenance of the CVA 6000 series built-in coffee system. For demonstration purposes, we'll be using the CVA 6800. Please refer to your operating instructions for details regarding your specific model. The appliance requires periodic manual cleaning to optimize performance and appearance. Be aware that each component has specific requirements. If in doubt, always wash by hand. Refer to the list from your operating instructions. In this video, we'll show you how to clean and reassemble the main dispenser nozzle. Alright, now we're going to clean the central dispenser assembly, and as you can see, we have several parts here. The main dispenser can be cleaned by using a little liquid dish soap, or they can be cleaned in the dishwasher. Now in this particular piece, you'll see that it has larger orifices, so this is suitable to be cleaned in the dishwasher. Some of these other pieces should be cleaned by hand using a little liquid dish soap, and you can also use this tiny brush to clean the parts if necessary. It is also true for the dispenser sensor cover. Now the central spout stainless steel cover must be cleaned by hand. It should not be cleaned in the dishwasher. So I'm going to use a little dishwashing liquid, generate a little soap, and clean the individual parts. And in each case, I will use the cleaning brush where appropriate. And as each piece is cleaned, place it on your dish towel to allow it to drain. And always rinse thoroughly to ensure that no residual soap remains. And of course, this must be washed by hand. Now we'll try each component. Now it can be reassembled and reinserted back into the machine. Alright, to reassemble, we will reassemble in reverse order. First, we'll place on the nozzles. They simply press into place. Then we have the lower connecting piece, which simply presses into place. For the upper connecting piece, we're going to twist and press down to secure it. And now we'll secure everything into the holder. And it clicks into place. First, we'll reinstall the sensor cover. To reinstall, align, lift into place, and it clicks. I'll now reinstall the dispenser nozzle. Align it, and push into place, and it clicks. Please note that the dispenser cover is held in place magnetically. And I'll reinstall the cover. Now that we have thoroughly cleaned and reinstalled the main dispenser nozzle, we can now select OK to leave the maintenance position. We've already fitted the cover. I'll confirm with OK. The dispenser assembly is now cleaned, reinstalled, the machine's ready to go. This concludes the cleaning of the main dispenser nozzle. Thank you for watching.